There are many different times when you will need a structural engineer and it comes to building new houses, renovating old houses, however it might be. And Molly is from ANZ Engineers and I'm working with her personally on my project for Channel 10. And Molly, you guys are everywhere. Instagram, social media, you've even got your own engineering schools. What do you do? What does an engineer do?
So our specialty is specifically in the residential field.
Yeah.
So we work on new design projects, extensions, renovations and so on.
Yeah, okay. And it's a complex field, so you will go and do an assessment, you visit like you did with me on my project and you spelled all this information out to me and I sat there with a coffee and watched you highlight and explain to me what lateral forces were and you gave me such valuable information, not being a builder, on why things need to be done rather than just go give me a report and say that's what you need. You explained this to me in really easy terms and that to me was so useful because it allowed me to think ahead about other parts of the house which may affect this particular part.
I believe a good communication between the engineers and the client is very important, as in it can make the process smooth or turn it into a nightmare. So you can get lost if you don't know what to do, what is required, what is your next step. Whereas we can just sit down together and I will run you through the whole outcome and map it all out, all the drawings you need, what you need to do next, so you know the whole thing, the whole process.
So you then give me a set of preliminary plans which I look at and go, yeah, that's kind of pretty much roughly where I want to be with opening things up.
That's
Is that
right.
right?
Yeah, so what happens from here on is we go back to the office, Moly will start, or one of the engineers will start designing the project. We'll get it up to a preliminary stage. The benefit of that is for you to be able to look at it and also discuss it with your builder.
Get some quotes.
Get some quotes, exactly. And once you guys discuss it, or there might be some changes or some amendments need to be made, we'll make these changes, amendments, and then you guys say, yep, we're happy to go ahead. We approve it, certify it, and then you can submit that to council or anyone else.
And that's it, locked in. I found it really super helpful in your lovely friendly manner that you do and explain everything to me, and to me it made this project possible. How can people get in touch with you then if they would like to perhaps talk to you about their next project?
They can simply send us an email to info@anzengineers.com.au, put their inquiry together and we'll reply back to their inquiry.
It sounds good. Well, if you are in the market for an engineer for any structural, commercial, residential work, reach out to these guys. I can personally vouch for them. They are the best, they are brilliant, and they just make everything so easy. Thank you so much, Molly.
Thanks, Walt.
Now, did you bring a paintbrush? I've got some jobs for you.